opinion, best Call of Duty names. Here are some cool and creative Call of Duty name ideas. XXSniper Kings, for the top sniper. Flashbang Master, for stunning grenade skills. 360 No-Scoper, for epic no-scope kills. Rage Quitter, for someone who quits a lot. Try Hard Vapor, try hard gamer who vapes. MLG Skills, for pro MLG skills. Fozzie Clan Recruit, aspiring phase member. Optic Gaming for life, loyal Optic Gaming fan. XX Lone Wolves, loner who plays solo. I'm not hacking bro, cheater in denial. Mountain Dew Fuel, fueled by Mountain Dew. Dorito Eater, eats Doritos while gaming. Nuke Dasher, rushes to get nukes. Silent Assassin, stealthy killer. Teabag Master, loves humiliating foes. Your Mom 1235, classic mom insulter. Bloodthirsty Savage, extremely aggressive. Get creative and come up with a unique name that suits your gameplay style or personality.